Welcome to C video tutorials. Today I am going to teach you data types. So what are data types? Data types determines the nature of a variable. It may be an integer, character, etc. There are four types of data types available in C, such as character, second one integer, third one is that float, and fourth one double. These are the four types of data types available in C. Coming to character. The character stores character value. It stores only a single character. In C, it is defined like char or any variable. And coming to the integer, integer stores integer value like numerical value. It can take negative value also. In C, it is declared as int. Coming to float. Float stores decimal value. Other than the integer, it can store the decimal value. In C, it is declared as float. Coming to double. Double stores larger decimal value than the float. So if there are huge decimal value, we can't go for float. In that case, we have to declare it as double because it takes a very large decimal value. In C, it is declared as double. Okay. These are the four types of data types available in C. There is a character, integer, float, and double. So these are all built-in one. These are not a user-defined one. These are built-in one. We cannot change the character as CHARC like that because it is a built-in one. Everything, there is a character, integer, float, double, everything, it is a built-in one. We cannot change it. And I will show you one example how to declare the character, how to declare the integer. Like I will show in a notepad itself. It is a for character you have to declare it as char and any other variable. So let me say it is a mm, num only. I will take num only. So this character will stores only one character. Okay, num will store only one character. It may be like this. The num, if we take the value for the num, it takes only the one character. It cannot take the two characters. It takes only the one character, 8, 5, like that. In the same way, integer, we will declare it as int num. I will take the same. So integer stores a integer value, and float we'll declare it as float num. So it stores a decimal value. Means suppose the num has a value like 556. It shows the decimal value as 0.00. That is a float value. When we print the num, it will show the value like 56.00. So it is a float. If it is just an 56, it is an integer. If we put point, it is a decimal value. And coming to the double one. Double. If it is a larger value, we go for double. Means larger than the float. Suppose we say it as 56 point something 89672 like this. It cannot hold. The float cannot hold this value, larger value. So we go for double. So hope you understand the data types. And coming to the programming part, here the previous programming part, that is int num1, int num2 and int sum. So these are all the integer. It's a nature is integer. So the result will be also the integer only. Let me compile again. Zero errors are found. Execute, run. So it is asking for the number. Let me give 6, 4, okay, 10. So it's an integer value 10. Suppose if I give float, float, and the result is also float, and the sorry result not second number is also float, and the result should be what? If it is float issue, num1 and num2, the sum also should be in float only, isn't it? Float. The thing is that percentage d for a integer, it is a percentage d. For a float, you have to give it as percentage f. So you have to change here as percentage f. So finally the result will be also float. So you have to give percentage f. And once we execute, compile, zero errors are found. Run it. First number, let me say same, 6. Since it is a float, I will give as float only. Okay, 6.2 and 1.0. Answer will be 7.200 something. So the answer will be in float only. Okay, let me execute once again, run it. If you give the number as 6 and number as 4, see, the result will be 10.00. We can give the number as an integer only. It will take the integer value. But the answer, the 6 plus 4 should be a 10. Since I have given it as a float, it is showing as 10.000 something. So it is a example for declaring the float. In the same way, for double also, you can change it in this program. Hope you understand and try this at home. Okay. Okay, thank you. We will meet you in next tutorial. Have a nice time. Bye.